everyone, welcome back to Cottoverdi. My name's Annette and today is day 17 of Vlogmas. And today I'm going to show you how I grew pea shoots to eat on my kitchen windowsill just by using dried peas. So rather than buying pea seeds, which are more expensive, more costly, I found out that you could grow pea shoots just from using dried peas that you can buy in the supermarket. And so that's what I've done. And it's super exciting. I used them as a topper for some pasta that I made for my husband and myself using homegrown tomatoes that I roasted and made into tomato sauce. Excuse me, made into tomato sauce. And I'm also going to be using them as part of a winter salad, which will be delicious. So pea shoots taste a little bit like peas. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. That's just Cosmo having a good scratch. So I think I was just explaining that pea shoots taste a little bit like peas, which are, you know, super delicious, really fresh and sweet. And I wouldn't let them get too long, like 10 centimeters is probably the longest that you want them to get. After that, they become a bit chewy and not as sweet. So eat them whilst they're really young and really are just shoots. I think we can actually eat, you know, the germinated seeds as well, but I haven't done that, and I haven't tasted them to see what they taste like, so I don't know. Maybe let me know if you have. But I grew them specifically so that I could have pea shoots to add to our meals. And they are delicious. We loved them, and I will definitely be doing this again. So I invested into a little windowsill propagator because I really felt like if I wanted it on my kitchen windowsill and I was going to see it every day, that I wanted it to look fairly attractive. But we can grow pea shoots in absolutely anything. As long as there's drainage, we can use whatever vessel or tray we like. You know, even use a seed propagating tray, that's absolutely fine. Or, you know, one of those plastic containers maybe that tomatoes come in that's got holes at the bottom. So as long as there's drainage and they're not sitting in, you know, really damp compost, they'll be absolutely fine. really hope you've enjoyed this video today. I found it interesting and useful and fun. Maybe it's inspired you to grow some fresh greens on your kitchen windowsill. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.